Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a little, just a very simple cup pour. So it's literally just pouring, I think I've got 2 or 3 colours in there, which was my white, the Berry Delicious and the gold. So I'm just layering kind of those in willy-nilly, in no particular way, squeezing the white in and the gold, just because I'm going to do a Wiggles cup pour on this particular canvas. I'm just trying something out, which I'll explain as we go along. So let's see how we go and wiggle away.
Until we crashed and burned. No, I wasn't the one, but I gave it all I've got. When all is said and done. When all is said and done. We went head first into the waves. We were right there in the eye of the storm. When I look back, I see it clear. I tried but couldn't give you more. You were a great one at the wrong time. I could never give you what you need and deserve. We went head first into the waves until we crashed and burned. No, I wasn't the one, but I hope you think.
Wow, I do love that. That stretched out really nicely. I'm just going to put one floating bloom here, and then I have another little thing that I do want to do to the rest of that surface. So the floating bloom has literally got just my Berry Delicious, which I custom make, and gold. So just blowing it out with that silicone ended bendy straw. Now for my little embellishment there, I, as you see, give it a nice balloon kiss, and I really think that makes that bloom stand out. But I still got a little bit more planned for this piece that you will see. Quite happy with that, looks very pretty. Now that's Helmar silicone and an old toothbrush. Yes, I use old toothbrush. It's my old toothbrush, so there you go. I put the silicone on a piece of plastic and dipped my toothbrush in it, and now I'm literally flicking the silicone and all the cells have popped up. So give it a quick hit with the heat wand. So look what that silicone made happen. Just using the old toothbrush, dipped in silicone, easy peasy cells. You don't even have to put the medium, any extra special cell medium. And we got this stunning darker flower in there effect, floral effect, which I love, love, love. Probably getting shadow on here, but yeah. Probably those cells would stand up so much more if they were in bright colours, but that's still absolutely gorgeous, don't you think?
Flames rise higher, love. We were burning so damn bright, just like a shooting star turns into dust.